Hi everyone, welcome to Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. Today's recipe is flour cake. The ingredients to make flour cake are we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. This is orange red food color. This is pineapple essence. 1 cup of powdered sugar. 1 cup of maida. This is quarter cup of curd. And this is quarter cup of milk and quarter cup of oil. So the first step is to sieve all the dry ingredients. So I am adding 1 cup of maida. Then I am adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next I am adding half a teaspoon of baking soda. So we need to sieve all the dry ingredients. Now I am adding all the wet ingredients into a mixer grinder. This is curd. Next is oil. And the last one is milk. Now to this we'll be adding our dry ingredients. So this is the dry ingredient which I have sieved. So now I am adding the sieved dry ingredient to the wet ingredients little by little. So I have added the wet and dry ingredients to the mixer grinder and we'll grind it so that to make it like a batter consistency. I am using the mixer grinder for mixing purpose. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of pineapple essence to get a pineapple flavor. You need to mix it well. So I have added the pineapple essence and mixed it well. This is how the consistency has to be. You need to get a batter consistency. So now what I will do is I will divide this mixture into 2 equal parts so that we will get a flower design. And to one part I will be adding the color. So I have divided the batter into 2 equal parts. Now to one part I am adding the food color. So this is just about a quarter teaspoon of food color which I am adding, and you need to mix it well. So I have added the food color and mixed the batter. You can see mine is orange color, so it has become orange, and this is the white one. Now I'll tell you how to do the flower design. So I have taken a vessel, preferably an aluminium vessel would be good, or if you have a cake bowl you can use the cake bowl. I have already greased it with oil and maida. Now I'll tell you how to make the flower design. So first we'll be adding the white part, 1 spoon. Next you have to add this orange part on it. Similarly, again white part. Again orange. So you have to continue this until your batter is empty. So I have added the batter mixture, first white, then orange, then white, like this. This is how it looks. Now you can use a toothpick and you can draw design. like this. So this is how the flower would look. Mine has not come that great, but if you do it slowly, it will come really nice. So this is how the flower would look. Now we need to bake this for 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. We'll have to bake it for 180 degrees at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes and the cake will be ready. You can see the cake is well baked. So I'm taking a toothpick to check it. So I'm just putting a toothpick inside this. See, you can see nothing sticks to the toothpick. This is when the cake is well baked. Now let's wait until it cools for about half an hour and we'll put it onto a plate. The flower cake is now ready. It's really yummy and tasty. Thank you for watching Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. For more yummy recipes, please do like and subscribe for Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dad.